What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today I've got an exciting new video for you. My good friends at Temu, well, they've done it again, guys. They've sent out for another collaboration with me, and I'm always glad to do them. I have a good relationship with them. They've always been good to me, and I try to be good to them in return, you know. Just have some fun with it all. So today I got some awesome new spray guns, and now if you use my code down below, you can get a $100 coupon bundle by creating a new account and entering my code into their search bar. I'll show you on screen real quick how to do it. You just create your account, and then you go down to where you click for your account. It has a little coupons and entry area where you can put everything in there. Click on that, you type in your coupon, and you're good to go. So now I've got some exciting new spray guns I'm going to show you guys that I got off of Temu. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we have quite a haul from Temu this time around, and let me give you a quick rundown of what all I got, because it's a lot. Starting over here, this is an N-Tools regulator and water separator all in one, guys. So you can see the markings right there, and it has a little drainage right here. You push this in, it'll vent the water out and keep it clean, and then of course you can set whatever your PSI is and everything else. A very cool all-in-one setup that I've used a time or two. I think that'll go good with my little minigun. Next, I got a SPI Pro paint gun, guys. This is the Vario RP 5200. It's got a 1.3 tip, a very cool looking gun. Got a lot of holes in the spray head. That's always good. Comes with a PPS cup system, and it comes with an extra 1.7 tip with the needle and everything you need to get started cleaning it. And yeah, very, very cool. And then I got this gun right here. I've had a couple of these Lyson guns before. It's a 1.3 tip, but what I really liked about it is I think it has Batman on the side of it. Yeah, there's the penguin. So a very cool kind of graphics gun. I thought that would be kind of a entry fun item to buy and everything else. It too comes with a PPS cup system and comes with everything you need to disassemble and clean the gun, as well as some install instructions for both guns. And yeah, some very, very cool products. But hey, let's set them up and let's see how these guns spray. Something else I got to show you guys that I've never seen with any other paint gun. This SPI paint gun actually comes with a regular cup. So you can run the PPS system or you can run a regular cup, which is really, really cool for especially a Temu gun, man. Awesome, awesome. All right, let's keep going. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got a fender prepped up and ready. I got my SPI Pro gun assembled with my little N-Tools regulator. And I haven't shot any eye candy sumo wrestler on the channel, at least not that I could find back in the video. So I'm going to mix some of this up and furnish one clear real quick. And let's see how this thing sprays on a test fender. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun here, the SPI Pro, loaded up with some of this eye candy. Really quick, I'm going to show you the way I set everything up with this gun because it's a little bit different than some of the other ones. Your pressure adjustment is right here. You want to open this all the way open, guys. That's going to be controlled down here by the regulator. Then this right here is your needle adjustment. You squeeze this trigger all the way in and turn this in till you feel resistance, and then turn it in another quarter turn, and then you have a little locking ring right here. And then your fan adjustment's right here. I like to open it up wide open and then turn it in a quarter turn. So you have it about 3/4 of a turn, and that's where I'm staying right now as far as my basic setup on this gun. And now let's see how it sprays. Alright guys, 1.3 tip. I'm shooting at 35 PSI wide open trigger for this gun since it's an HVLP. And I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. Man, that SPI gun really laid out that sumo wrestler pretty nice, guys. It's got a really nice consistent pattern. A little blotchy on the pearl, but the clear laid out really, really good. So I'm really liking this SPI gun. What do you guys think? What's really cool also is this gun does not have any O-rings, guys. It has a little plastic piece that sits in there and disperses the fluid in the air. And then you got the actual tip assembly that goes on. And then after that, you just got the little fan nozzle that screws on. And it's as easy as that, guys. Very simple construction and not a lot of wear items. Alright guys, now that we got that sumo wrestler over there laid out, let's shoot another test fender with this Lyson gun, the Batman gun. Man, that is really, really cool looking. Alright, so much the same way, I chose another eye candy pearl, MACAW blue green. And yeah, we're going to lay it on. Let's mix it up and let's get to spraying. Guys, so this Lyson gun right here sets up just like the SPI with all the adjustments in the same area. So I'm going to run it exactly the same way. A 1.3 tip at 35 psi wide open trigger on my settings. And let's shoot some of this blue-green pearl over top and see if we can't create something cool. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. Well guys, I had a lot of fun today spraying out with these new Temu products. If you're interested in any of the Temu products you saw today, guys, I have links down in the description to every single one of them so you can pick up the same exact things. And Temu has provided a discount code. I'll show that down below. You can go to the website, create an account real quick, go into your account settings, and where it says coupons and deals and stuff like that, enter in the code. You'll instantly get a $100 coupon bundle, and you can put it towards one of these awesome products or something else on their website. They got tons of stuff to choose from, and I always enjoy collaborating. So shout out to Temu again for sending out awesome spray guns. Water separator with the regulator, everything else from N-Tools. Man, a really cool compact design. And both of these paint guns, the SPI gun, really black, sleek design with an extra 1.7 tip. Or if you're into superheroes, this Batman graphic gun from Lyson is very cool. 1.3, shot between 35-40 psi. It seems to be the sweet spot for both of these guns. And they did lay out the clear very well. A little bit of blotchiness with a pearl, but sometimes that happens because you're shooting in clear coat. So just be mindful of that, guys, going forward. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns with anything else, then definitely drop them in the comments. I always love to see what you guys think, and rate these spray outs, rate the paint guns I used today. And if you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button to Whitley Auto Works, ring that little bell beside it. You'll get notified every time a new episode drops. And if you want to pick up anything else you saw in this video, my links are below. As seen on YouTube takes you to my Amazon store where you can pick everything up there. And if you decide to pick up an eye candy pearl, just enter WAW shop, wall shop at checkout. You'll get a discount because I'm an affiliate and it goes to help out the channel. So win-wins across the board. And yeah, just a really cool, awesome Temu collaboration again, guys. So as always, I appreciate you for watching. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.